everyone. Today we are going to discuss about consumer equilibrium. This is the main basic important concept of microeconomics. So the students who are in 11th or 12th to want to make clear their doubts and to know the basic things about it. So here this is the video about it, and yes, so let's start. Okay, consumer equilibrium. If we want to study consumer equilibrium, first we have to know what is utility. Okay, so utility, basic utility is the definition is want, satisfying capacity of a commodity is called utility. Everybody, all of you knows it. Suppose there is a commodity which is X. Suppose there is a X commodity. If that X commodity has that power or that capacity to satisfy, has that power to satisfy human wants, then we will call it as that X commodity must be that X commodity has the utility. So suppose let example a mobile has the various capacity that it can satisfy people wants, so human wants, it can satisfy human wants. So mobile is the utility for everyone. Okay, so did you understand? So mobile is the utility of everyone. So utility. Okay, then we will come, utility can be measured. वैसे utility cannot be measured. If we know in practically, utility cannot measured because this is totally a subjective concept. Subjective concept means okay, subjective means when when you buying a book. Suppose this is a book. When you buy a book, you are purchasing it by paying 100 rupees, and you will get the knowledge from this book. From book you get knowledge. Okay, so that knowledge can be quantifiable. नॉलेज कैन नॉट बी क्वान्टिफाइबल. आप जितना भी नॉलेज आपने गेन किया, आप नहीं कह सकते कि हाँ मैंने 60% नॉलेज गेन किया इस बुक से या फिर 80%, ऐसे नहीं बोल सकते. तो यू कैन फील दैट हाउ मच नॉलेज दैट यू गेन फ्रॉम दिस बुक, ओनली यू कैन फील दैट. सो दिस इज अ सब्जेक्टिव कॉन्सेप्ट. यूटिलिटी कैन नॉट मेजर्ड एंड इट इज अ subjective concept. Did you guys understood? Okay, it is a subjective concept. Then utility, okay, so Alfred Marshall, one of the economists, who says that utility can be measured. उनका कंडीशन ये था utility can be measured. हम utility को नाप सकते हैं. Utility can be measured by two theory. He gave, one is cardinal, another is ordinal. Okay, cardinal, which is cardinal. Okay, so one is cardinal and another is ordinal. Or cardinal utility, that is Marshall's utility analysis, because the theory is given by Marshall utility analysis. And ordinal is known as indifference curve analysis. One is cardinal and another is ordinal. Cardinal, which is Marshall utility analysis, and ordinal, which is indifference curve analysis. Okay, he says, Alfred Marshall says, when we calculate utility, that can be measured by utils. It can be measured by utils. Okay, suppose apple you were eating suppose apple, you can say you get 50 utils from the apple. Okay, so this is the cardinal. इसमें थ्री कॉन्सेप्ट आती है. एक होता है टोटल यूटिलिटी, ओके, देन मार्जिनल यूटिलिटी. ओके, टोटल यूटिलिटी एंड मार्जिनल यूटिलिटी. व्हाट इज टोटल यूटिलिटी? Total utility refers to the total satisfaction obtained from the consumer of all possible units of the commodity. Total utility मतलब आप suppose यहाँ पे है units and here is TU. Total utility. One apple you get 10 utilities. 2 apples you get 20 utilities. 3 apple you get 30 utilities. So this is the total utility that you are consuming from apples. Okay, so this all are the total utility. Okay, then what is marginal utility? Marginal utility is the one additional utility derived from the consumption of one more unit of the given commodity. Marginal utility that is derived from the additional utility. एंड में जो additional ऐड होता है, additional unit, additional utility derived from the commodity, from the consumption of one more unit of the given commodity. One more unit of given commodity. Okay, so marginal utility is derived from the additional utility derived from the consumption of one more unit of given commodity. Marginal utility क्या होता है? See, here is apple and here is marginal utility, and here is, okay, this is total utility, then here is marginal utility. One apple, okay, you get 10, suppose 12 utility. Then 2 apple you get 20 utility. 3 apple you get 30 utility. Okay, ये जो क्या पहले वन एप्पल कंज्यूम करते थे तो 12 यूटिलिटी मिलता था. देन यू ऐड वन मोर एप्पल, ओके, वन एप्पल विथ वन मोर एप्पल, देन 2a. जो ये वन एप्पल जो आपने खाया, जो आपने कंज्यूम किया, उससे कितना यहाँ पे बढ़ गया है? 12, 28. तो ये जो वैल्यू है, एक वन एप्पल दैट गिव्स 8 utility, 8 marginal utility. So this is the one, this one is the additional utility that you get from the consumption of one more unit of the commodity. Okay, did you understand? समझ में आ रहा है? Okay, so again you will eat 4 apple. ये जो 1, 2, 3, 4 ऐसे, this apple's commodity of consumptions are increasing and total utility also increases. So the 30 to 20, if we'll minus 30 to 20, then 10. So here when 2 to 3, one more apple of consumption, when we add one more apple's consumption, then we will get 10 more additional utility. Okay, so this is the marginal utility. So here is a formula of mu, that is equal to TUN minus TUN minus 1. TUN means number of commodity. Okay, so then TUN minus 1 means before. Suppose here is TUN TU1 में कितना आया था? 12. TU1, then TUN minus 1 means before. इसको देखो, ये टोटल हो गया 1, 2. सपोज ये 2 है तो फिर n माइनस 1 मतलब इसका बिफोर. TUN कितना हुआ? 20. 2a का 20 मिला था, सो TUN minus 1 12. So 20 minus 12, that is equal to 8. Okay, 12 minus 20 minus 12, that is equal to 8. 8 is the marginal utility. So formula is TUN minus TUN minus 1. This is the formula of marginal utility. Okay, and total utility is the summation of marginal utility. U1 plus U2 plus U3 up to UN. Okay, understand?